last week I did a review by a platform here on this community and I decided to try it out. And in 5 days, this happened. That is the reason for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you what I did, if it's something you can jump into right now or not. So let's go. Alright guys, welcome to my screen. Now before we continue with this video, if you have not subscribed, if you are new in this channel, you are seeing this for the first time, I will consider you to subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification because I'm going to be dropping more updates and more ways on how you can make money online fast. Okay, make sure you subscribe and turn on bell notification so that anytime I drop handsome videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified and take advantage of the opportunity before others do. So subscribe and also like this video. Thanks in advance. As you can see in the interface right now, every skills is set and is made with you in mind. All right, let's overrun the dashboard of this platform and how you can make money from it. Okay, so when you want to register, click on this register button, and when you have to log in, you click on login. I already have an account. I'm going to log in right now, but before I log in, I want to show you around the platforms and how it works. Now, as you can see, our core areas of specialty are ebooks, sales, incentives, and affiliates marketing. All right, as you can see, ebook can be created and affiliated to gain as much as 90% revenue by the affiliate marketer. Incentives are rewarded to users for their impressive skills. Search for reaching set target. Okay, affiliate marketing through combined networking, individuals can make a whopping 80% revenue from every affiliate. If you come over to this very place, now these are the premium skills you can learn from this very platform. As you can see, advanced website development class, advanced iOS and Android app creation, advanced copywriting course, advanced graphic design, advanced Instagram, and advanced mini importation, advanced UI UX design classes, advanced WhatsApp media classes, and advanced YouTube monetization classes. And if you register, once you register in this platform, you have access to all these courses right here, okay, with your PS friend. Now if you come over to this very place, you can be seen, you can just come over and read all about the platform. As you can see, and this is just a brief over of the platform. Now once you get to this very place, the first thing to do is to log in an account. So I'm going to click on this login an account right now. So once you come here, I'm going to repeat my details and I'm going to log in my account. So right here, this is my dashboard and this is my account right now. The first thing you're going to be seeing here is the home button. Okay, this is the home button. Here is the withdraw button where you can withdraw your money and you can withdraw your funds. Okay, and this is the settings where you can change your password and reset your profile if you want to, and this is where you can log out. All right, so if you come to this very any dashboard right now, you can be seeing my earnings right here. Now these are incentives for affiliates. Now as you can see, 100 referrals, an automated washing machine, 300 referrals, a brand new laptop, 500 referrals, a brand new iPhone and 11 Pro Max or Samsung 22 Ultra, and 1000 referrals, a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max or PS5. All right, these are like incentive, like affiliate challenge on the platform. If you want to participate, that's left for you. That's left for you guys. The first way to make money from this platform is you being an affiliate. As you can see, as I said earlier, being an affiliate, okay, that's the first way you can make money from this platform. If you be an affiliate, if you're able to affiliate to this platform, you make a whopping 80% commission per anybody who successfully register from you. All right, and if anybody register on another person, you are going to be having indirect affiliate commission. All right, that means you are going to be having a spillover from that person. Okay, that's just a passive income for you. That's number one way to make money from this platform. And number two way is selling other people's products, which is selling people ebooks, which are selling other people's ebook courses. Now these are available ebooks on the platform. You can sell on this platform right now. So you can see available ebooks. Okay, grow from 0 to millions. You can just come here, just click on promote ebook, and you have access to the JV page and the link to promote the product. And before you can promote this product, you must have some marketing skills for you to be able to promote this product and make money from it. And this platform is going to teach you how you can do all these things. Okay, now this other product again, which is top 5 AD ways to get referrals, 100 couple stories, Python for beginner. This is a programming course and it was published here 9th of May 2023. And this is another one, 6 money making secrets. Okay, from 1B to freelancer, how to generate leads using WhatsApp, how to sell to an idiot, and these are courses, ebook courses you can promote on the platforms. Now, if you come over to this other side, now you can have access to skills, and these are skills you can learn from this platform, which is advanced development classes. I mentioned this earlier, advanced iOS and Android app creation. Okay, and these skills you can have access to them as little as 35 PS trend. Now PS trend is the money you make by liking TikTok videos and YouTube videos. And that's PS trend. Now you can use this money to easily purchase any of these courses. This way you're not paying any single fee to purchase any of these courses, and you can purchase all the courses if you want to, or you can purchase the singular courses that is wired to your profession. And this is another course again on forex, advanced forex classes. All right, this is a course, advanced copywriting courses. And if you scroll down, these are courses: advanced Instagram and Facebook art courses, advanced graphic design course, advanced mini production course, advanced UI UX product design course. And these are courses you are going to be having access to. Advanced YouTube monetization classes. These are courses you are going to be having access to once you register on the platform. You can easily come over here to copy your affiliate link and you can start promoting the platform. Now, the first way is affiliate marketing. The second way is by promoting ebooks, and the third way is by creating ebooks. If you come over to this very place right now, okay, if you click on it, as you can see my ebooks here. Purchase ebook. Now this purchase ebook are ebooks you have sold. Now these my ebooks are ebooks you have published on the platform. That's the third way to make money. You publishing ebooks. All right. Now if you are able to publish your ebook courses on this platform, thousands of affiliates are going to have access to it, and they are going to promote it for you, and you're going to be making 20% commission per say they made. All right. And the third way to make money from this platform is by sharing trend, which is this very one right here, sharing trade. Okay, you make as low as $1 by sharing trend on this platform. And if you click on this sharing trend now, you come over to this very page. You are going to come over to this very page. Okay, and if you come over to this very page, you just scroll down. As you can see, a big milestone reached. We have successfully trained over 10,000 students in skills classes. As you can see right now, they have trained over 10,000 students on those skills classes. That means those courses I showed you, of which you can have access to once you register on this platform. That means this platform has over 10,000 members registered already. So if you come over to this very place, of which I told you earlier, as you can see, this was posted on the 10th of July 2023. The time is 6 a.m. in the morning. If you click on this very place right now, it's going to direct you to YouTube, where you are going to like or comment or do any instructions they are going to tell you. And when you come over here right now, you are going to be directed to TikTok, where you are going to perform a task and get paid. Okay, you performing a task every day and just getting paid. This is the fourth way to make money from this platform. If I'm going to click here right now, it's going to take me to YouTube. As you can see right now, it just take me to YouTube right now. So I'm just going to follow the instructions they are going to tell me. Maybe
I define a high income skill as a skill that can make.
I'm going to pause it right now, and I'm going to go back. The instructions is to like this video. Okay, as you can see, the instruction right here is to just go ahead and like this video. I will just come here and I will like, if it is like, and maybe subscribe. Okay, I'm going to subscribe right now, and I'm going to also like the video. All right, so I'm done with this one. I'm going to click on back, and I'm going to do the same thing to TikTok. All right, and once I come back to my dashboard, as you can see, I have $8 in my PS trend. So when I refresh this dashboard right now, I'm going to refresh it. Please, from $8 to $9. Okay, $8 to $9. That means I just in $1 right now. Okay, by just liking a YouTube video. And this is the fourth way to make money from this platform. Come over to this very icon right here. You can easily transfer funds from your account to other people's accounts. Maybe I want to transfer money from my account to other people's account. I can come over here and type the username of the person. I'll click on the username, then I'll type the amount I want to transfer. Maybe it's $20 or $100. I will just click on transfer, and the money is going to be transferred to that person. Now come over here right now, you can easily come and check their converter right now. Okay, check the converter. And the converter on this platform right now is $1 to 500 naira due to the exchange rate imbalance. Now if you click on $10 right now, as you can see, $10 is 5,000 naira right now. You can come here to convert your earnings to check how much you're going to be getting in naira. Now if you're from other country, you click on this very place right now. You are going to be seeing your currency down here. You click on your currency, then you check the converter rates. Okay, now this is the ways you can make money from this platform. I believe you find value from this video. Now if you want to be a registered member in this platform so that you can have access to all these courses right now and all the ways you can make money from this platform and also this affiliate challenge, just make sure you click on the link in the description below, the first link you are going to be seeing there, or you just go to the comment section. I'm going to be pinning my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Okay, click on the WhatsApp link and you're going to be connected with me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to guide you through on how to get started with this platform. Now to get started with this platform is $8, which is around 4,000 in Nigeria currency. But if you're from other country, you can convert $8 to your currency to know how much it worth. Okay, you have to get an activation code before you can be a registered member on this platform. So click on the first link in the description, or click on the link in the pinned comment section to connect with me on WhatsApp so that you can get registered on this platform. I believe you found value from this video. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel by turning on bell notification. So guys, what do you think about it? Is this something you want to add to your any portfolio? Now for those who want to register on the platform, I'll leave a link in the description below, or you can check the comment section. I'm going to be pinning a message on the pinned comment section. Click on that link, you will come directly to me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to guide you through on how you can get registered on the platform and give your own thought about the platform in the comment section. So I would love you to subscribe to my channel right now, and also smash the like button in this video. Thanks in advance, and turn on bell notification, because I'm going to be dropping more reviews on making money online platforms like this, and you'll be the first to know, so that you'll be notified anytime I drop these videos, and you'll be the first set to jump on this platform and make money from it. If you want to check out the review I did about the platform, when I review everything about the platform, how you can make money from it, everything you need to know, if it's a legit platform or a scam platform, and whatever you need to know about it, you want to check this video right here, showing right here.